Hello everyone, welcome back with AutoCAD basic tutorials how to dock command line. Okay, you can see we have these command lines in top of status bar. So if you want to move or dock these command lines, you can click these icons, hold, and then you can move these command lines. You also can place at center points like in here, or you can move these command lines to the top. You can move to this point and it will be automatically attached in the top of this drawing area. You also can move again, like you can click, and I will set in the center point in here. Now we also can lock these command lines. You can tap for lock UE command lines, press enter, and set for value into true, press enter again. So this command line will be locked in this area. Okay, that's it. How to dock command lines and lock in AutoCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.